This is really good, Danny. Oh, what's this one about?
It's supposed to be all about love, but I can't figure out how to make it work.
For inspiration?
You were already the
Have you thought any more about Woodstock? It's only 15 miles.
Alan was the one who really wanted to go, but he was always too busy. We didn't even get to go to Rome before he died. And Dermot has no interest in travel.
Now that I'm home, I'm forgetting what it's like to be busy. I'm not sure if I like having so much free time with so much to spare. Sometimes I feel like there's no reason for doing anything at all.
What are you doing?
Sorry.